So we start off today's video with a 360 of this gorgeous pixie cut. This is absolutely stunning. Now this pixie does have more like a pixie bob feel to me. It is longer in the front and shorter in the back. And that is a very hot and popular hair trend that we're seeing this year. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hot hair ideas that you can play around with this season. So here we have some layers being put into this beautiful ginger copper colored hair. Now her hair color alone is a very hot trend all by itself, but the layered look is definitely in as well. So she's pretty much combining two hot hair trends into one. There is the final results. And as you guys know, layers add a lot of volume to the hair. Next up, we have another hair transformation. Gorgeous jaw length mini bob haircuts. Beautiful, love the way this enhanced her cheekbones, just accented them beautifully. And then we have another haircut transformation. Stylist adds some bangs to the front. Oh, beautiful. And this to me looks like a really cute, like shaggy wolf cut style. Very nice. And this is another great hair option if you're looking to add some volume to your strands. The layers really provide that thickness. And then here we have another perfect example of a shag. Another great way to add some volume and texture to your hair. This one also features bangs in the front. And then we have a hair color transformation. Wow. Looks like she did get some face framing highlights. Beautiful. So here we have more of like an asymmetrical pixie bob. This is a rather unique shape. I'm loving the color with this one as well. Hopefully we get to see like more of a 360 styling or viewing of this. So it looks like she got a bit more of a shorter bob. I love the way her natural texture looks with this. Beautiful. And then we have another color transformation. Beautiful highlights. And then of course we have the butterfly haircut. This is another one of those hot hair trends that adds a lot of texture and volume to the strands. And she has really long hair too, so this haircut is really just going to add some shape and texture really nicely. Unfortunately, I don't think we have the ending of how this style looks, but trust me, the butterfly haircut is definitely gorgeous. You can check out some of my other videos if you do want to see it. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.